So we're out here shampooing this carpet. Look at that. You got the filth just come off. And this is just like laundry detergent and some baking soda. But I mean, that's nasty. It's gonna take a lot of washing, a lot of scrubbing, and then I'll finish it off with a pressure washer and vacuum it. But yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty simple. You know, just household steamer, some water. Just grab a microfiber. You know, I just cover it like this. I don't have any fancy attachments. I'm not a detailer by trade, so just go like this and just work it, you know, back and forth. Wear a glove if you can, just because it does get hot, you know, close to the steamer. So I just wear a glove on that hand, and like I said, just go back and forth and. You can see that's all the dirt that came off. And the leather also feels a lot softer. I think, you know, the steam moisturizes a little bit. Once I'm done, I'm gonna wipe them down with some conditioner, but for now, it does feel a little softer and it's definitely cleaner. Alright guys, I just spent the last hour steam cleaning these seats. I just finished them up. They look amazing. Fortunately, it started raining outside and one of my carpets is out there drying on the tundra, so you know it's gonna get soaked again, but you know, oh well, it's gonna have to dry tomorrow, I guess. But let me show you these seats because they came out great. Here we go. Here are the seats. They look fantastic, or at least as good as they can, I think, for, you know, these had 185 on the donor card that I pulled these out of, and then, you know, the bottom of the right one got reupholstered. But I mean, you know, check it out. They look pretty good. You know, there's some wear on the armrest, stuff like that, but anybody's gonna expect that. But the seats themselves, you know, I steam cleaned them and they look very, very nice. So once the carpet dries, and I still got to clean all the plastics, the trays and all that. There's one there. There's, you know, there's a couple over there. So I got to clean those. But once everything's gonna come back together, I'm gonna put the inside of the Sequoia back together. Then do a little bit of work on the outside. You know, the headlights need to get buffed. I'm considering taking off this rear bumper and, you know, seeing if I can pull that dent out. It should be pretty easy with a heat gun, and then just push it with my foot. But besides that, this car is very solid, doesn't need anything else. You know, obviously I'll wash it, clean it outside and all that, but yeah, I'm pretty thrilled with how these seats came out. And here is the car that I picked up. It is a 2011 WRX, 95,000 miles, and it does not start, does not run, nothing. When you crank it, it sounds like it has absolutely no compression. You know, it's pretty clean, you know, decent shape, looks to be 100% stock. I'm just hoping it's not a ringland. You know, if it's like a head gasket or something, I could work with that, but you know, a ringland's gonna suck. So I'm gonna drain the oil on it right now, even on the trailer, before I even unloaded, and I'm gonna hope that there's no metal shavings or anything like that. And yeah, that's, you know, we'll see what happens. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll update you guys on both this car and the Sequoia in the next video. I'll probably include a little teardown of this WRX, and we'll see how that goes.